Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just you see error when you're using Facebook, session expired. So how you can also fix it? So first thing, just try to close your Facebook and just open it again. And if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so just go to the settings. In the settings, just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after, just open mobile data or cell data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simply restore your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your phone. So just go to the general, in the general just open software update, and if you see here available updates, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.